Well, here it is. This is the new slow drift model here, the super slow drift model. This thing really pulls out to the side. We killed them on Father's Day with this thing, and been using it for about 2 weeks now, and we're ready to release them. The molds are a little rough. Mixing it with the new glow mixture in it kind of causes a little reaction, but we've got them pretty smoothed out. Don't expect an absolute perfect finish, but nice. Sometimes you get a little dimpled or bubbled effect on it. They look pretty good. We're going to make this one glow up here, and most importantly, let's see what it does. Oh yeah, that's some glow. Yeah, here it goes. Bright. You can see the light that it puts out on the wall. Yeah. But at any rate, we're going to run the special on them. They're $19.95. Coming with the glow paint and glow mixed into the plastic there. It's got both. These things are just deadly. The fish see these things at night, come right over to investigate it. What do they see? There's your bait down underneath it. Yeah. Till they're gone. Super slow drift model. It's the newest addition to the planer bobber line here. Castable planer bobbers. Awesome. This is a narrower, lighter model here. Really kicks some butt. Don't be left on the bank. Better get them before they're all gone, folks. This one is a real favorite. Good luck to you all and good fishing.